Ow, my back. Y'all ready to go fishing, son? This is my humble abode. A boat. Is that button? Well, we made it to the water. We have deported ourselves from the United States. Let's redo that. Last time I was down on the river, I was looking for arrowheads, but I didn't find any. But I did find this poor little fella. I'll put him on the screen. He was hooked by a giant swim bait or glide bait, whatever you want to call him. He was right in his foot. We got it out of him though. The little birdie, he was all right. I call him a little hillbilly penguin because I don't know what the heck they are. Oh yeah, and I also got a new reel. Have yet to try it out. You know, growing up, I always hated these things. Like, who wants to use a rooster tail? That was the only thing I used. When I first moved here, all I would do was throw craws or maybe a swim bait or one of those swirly tail grubs. But if you want to go out and have a good day fishing, you better go pick you up a rooster tail. Especially if you're fishing a river or something like this. Oh, that's on the tree. Oh, please don't do this to me. I waited for the wind to die down. It was unvisible. Category 3 hurricane ripping through Kentucky. I can't cast worth the crap. Well, haven't been getting any bites. We got 5 species to catch today. Oh my gosh. I just watched something smack it. Speaking of no bites. The water around me is ripping. What the? What? This is a moment where you cut your line, huh? Aliens, where? Oh, it's got a spider on it. Get off. It's a free basketball. I'll see y'all when we're on the other side of this, fishing all that. Oh. We got a little bass. Hey, hey, quiet. There you go. Hey, you're gonna hurt yourself. There you go, guys. He hit that thing as soon as it entered the water. We're waiting in the water. I'm ready. Not with all this sand on my reel. Nothing. Well, we might have caught the only little guy in this part. I might turn off the camera here and look for some arrowheads. I doubt there's any here, but it's my dream to find an arrowhead, dude. I don't know where to look for them. I just want to find one. Well, after no arrowheads, I didn't really look this whole place over, but I did follow this current edge. Look around, but didn't find anything. I don't know if we can get one off this sewage pipe. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just want to find one, man. It's a leaf. Well, that's not good. I wonder if I could stand up on 1 foot on this thing. Oh, 1 foot. If this river wasn't full of sewage, I would do a backflip into it right now. But it literally smells like poop right now. And I'll show you why. The poop stream, also known as Cherokee Hills. Look at them. They don't even know I'm here. I wanted to stop here at this spot. I've never caught a fish here, but there's something cool to show you guys. What I stopped to show you guys, these rocks. Look at them. But looks crazy looking. Oh, there's a fish. Yep. Heck yeah. Smallmouth number 2. It's not another species, but it's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish and a beautiful spot. I'll let you go, buddy. Oh, he hit his head. I heard it go. I knew it would work. You see these rocks right here? They could go underneath those, so I was trying to cast into the current and drag it across. Gonna have to real quick. This water is moving fast. Oh, oh no, no. Oh, what did I tell you guys? Oh my goodness. Yo, he was sitting right below me underneath these rocks. And I let it just float by. Oh my goodness. Oh, 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 oh. Calm down. That's crazy though. 2 fish off that, and I'm right above them. Gotta be some more stuck up in here somewhere. I wonder if there's any trapped fish in this. Hope not. Don't look like it. So I don't know if I put the clip in of me earlier talking about the poor old duck, the hillbilly penguin. He was crawled all the way up into that creek. He crawled all the way up in there because he didn't know what to do. And then he got hung in vines. It's hooked up in a giant swim bait. Hooked in his foot. He's still alive. I don't know how long he was there for, but I hope not long. Poor buddy. We gotta pay attention right here. I don't know where that rock is. Right here, probably. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. That's it. He's following me. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. They're just sitting in front of me. Listen to those bullfrogs. That sounds like somebody's playing it off a speaker.